Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Ads account from organization to individual business account. This is particularly useful if you're transitioning from a corporate setup to a personal business venture, or if you simply need to update your account type to match your current business structure. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your Google Ads credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has administrative access, as you'll need the proper permissions to modify billing and account settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard where you manage all your campaigns and account settings. From your dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find various options for managing different aspects of your account. Locate and click on the billing option. This is where all your payment information, invoices, and account type settings are housed. It's the central hub for managing the financial side of your Google Ads account. Once you click on billing, the menu will expand to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, look for the Settings option and click on it. This section contains all the detailed configurations related to your billing and payment setup, including the crucial account type designation that we're here to change. Under the Settings section, you'll need to locate the Payer Details dropdown. Click on this dropdown to reveal the information fields associated with your account. Among these fields, you'll find the account type field, which currently displays your account as an organization type. Look for the pen icon next to this field and click on it to begin editing or changing your account type. A drop-down selection menu will appear, offering you different account type options. From this drop-down, select Individual to change your account from organization type. Pay close attention here, as upon making this selection, a right-hand side menu will appear on your screen. This menu provides you with a detailed walkthrough of all the changes that will take place once you switch to an individual type of account. It's important to review this information carefully to understand how the transition might affect your billing, invoicing, and account management going forward. As you proceed through the transition process, you'll be prompted to provide a reason for making this change. Google Ads requires this information to better understand account modifications and ensure everything is legitimate. Follow the steps presented on screen and carefully fill out all the required fields. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate and complete, as this will help facilitate a smooth account transition from organization to individual type of account. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Google Ads account type from organization to individual. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.